Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add links or hyperlinks here in Jira. So first, you're going to click on create over here at the top. So this is where you can create a task here in Jira. So of course, you're first going to put a summary for your task. And then over here at the description, this is the specific area in Jira where you can add hyperlinks or links. So if you go ahead and click on links, you'll be able to see this link icon over at the top. So if you click on that, this is where you can add your link. So you're first going to paste your link over at this first bar, or you can also search for the link over here. But I'm just going to paste this link. Then over here at display text, you're just going to input a display text that you'd like to use for the link that you've added. But this is optional. So after you've done this, just click on enter on your keyboard and it should be added here in the description. Then we're just also going to customize the other settings over here at the bottom. So once you've done that, just click on create. Then if we're going to view the task, we'll be able to see that the link or the hyperlink is already here in the description. But if you want, you can also edit a specific task and we'll be able to see a plus icon below the title. So if you click on that, you'll also be able to see add web link over here. And you could repeat the same process that we did earlier if you want to add another web link. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.